is for nail biting and what you can do to help a child stop or reduce the habit. Now, the very classic tricks are worth reviewing because sometimes they do work. You can certainly try the nail polish trick where you're painting the nails, and that is a visual sign for a child not to bite, and also hopefully a sign not to bite because nail polish does not taste good. So you can attempt to do the nail paint trick. You can attempt to do the paint on the non-toxic but not fun to taste substance, the things that they sell at the drugstores. So those are just the classic tricks. So I just wanted to put them in the playlist because if you aren't aware of those first line of defense type tricks, you might want to give them a try. There are many outside the box strategies, so please click through the playlist and see which one suits your child. You can even vary it up. So you might use one strategy one day, another the next day, but the idea here is that there are lots of options and you just want to explore one until you find one that makes sense. Is it gonna be